Welcome to the Hollywood Racks installation video for the Rack Valet Hitch Rack Mobility and Storage Solution. The Rack Valet will accommodate both 1 1/4 inch and 2-inch hitch sizes. Use the upper opening for 1 1/4 inch and the lower opening for 2-inch hitch tubes. The openings are slightly oversized for easy insertion of the rack into the Rack Valet. Position the legs below the frame. Insert the bolts through the frame and legs. Install the washers and nuts onto the bolts. And tighten securely using a wrench. Insert the threaded stems of the casters through the holes and install the washers and nuts onto the threaded stem. Tighten the nut securely. Wearing shoes, gently press the tab of the caster down with your foot to lock it. When locked, the wheel will not spin or roll. Place the tip of your shoe below the tab and lift up. You have pressed the tab too far if it is laying flat against the wheel. You can release the tab by inserting a small flat screwdriver between the wheel and tab and then gently prying it back. Lock all 4 casters. Unlock the casters and roll the Rack Valet to its destination. If on a downward slope or hill, do not let go of the Rack Valet and rack until the casters are locked. Before removing the bike rack from the Rack Valet, be sure to lock the casters. For 2+2 style hitch racks, first install the base 2 bike rack into the Rack Valet, then install the outer 2 bike add-on into the base rack.